You stand there, holding the divorce papers, staring at the text messages, and your brain is screaming, "But she was a good wife. She was the mother of your kids. She packed your lunch. She managed the house. She was the one your friends envied." You thought you had the stable, loyal woman, but she destroyed it all. She cheated. And the easy answer is always the same. She's selfish, she's broken, she's ungrateful. Today, we are going to look past that comfortable lie and expose the raw, painful truth. We are going to reveal why the so-called good wife, the dependable one, is often the one most likely to cheat. This isn't about blaming the victim. It's about understanding the deep, dark psychological hole that opens up when a man trades his strength for comfort. You need to know this. You need to understand this deep truth so you can stop being the man who gets used up and thrown away. You think she cheated because she's a bad woman. The truth is she cheated because you became the man she didn't need to fear losing, and the man she stopped respecting. You broke her respect for you. Brothers, my ex said I could never grow this channel to 2,000 men in a single month. I need you to help prove her wrong. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment right now. The question men ask is always the same. Why did my good wife cheat on me? The answer no one wants to hear is that the very things that made her a good wife, her stability, her focus on home, her predictability, or the things you failed to match with a powerful masculine frame. She was good because she played her role. You thought that if you were a good provider, everything would be fine. You thought if you were nice, if you were gentle, if you never caused a problem, she would be loyal forever. But you made a huge mistake. You replaced a man's desire with a boy's need, and you killed her desire for you. Let's look at the first story. We'll call him Dan. Dan was the perfect husband. He was the good guy. He never missed an anniversary. He worked long hours so she didn't have to. He let her control the TV remote, the money, and all the decisions. He thought he was being a thoughtful husband. But day by day, he lost his power in the house. His wife, Sarah, became the boss, and he became the helper. When Dan finally asked Sarah about the extra hours she was spending with a coworker, she didn't get scared, she got mad. She looked at him like he was a little child asking for permission. She ended up cheating with a mechanic, a guy who was chaotic, always broke, and totally unreliable. Dan was the loser in this story because he gave his power away. What was Sarah thinking in her head? She was thinking, he is too soft. He's my employee, not my man. I need a challenge. A good wife needs stability, yes, but she needs an even stronger man to anchor to. When you let her wear the pants, when you let her become the main leader of the house, you destroy her primal desire for you. She stops seeing you as a man and starts seeing you as a safe, predictable cash machine. And a cash machine is not a man you respect. It's the thing you use while you find the man you desire. This brings us to the second hard truth. The reason these so-called good wives cheat is not because they are looking for a better life. They are looking for a better feeling. They are looking for the masculine energy you stopped giving them. They're looking for the man who is still dangerous enough to be exciting or strong enough to be worth fighting to keep. We'll talk about David. David was strong and fit. a successful guy who made good money. He was the provider. But David had no purpose outside of his work and his wife. He became emotionally clingy. He put his wife Lisa on a pedestal, making her the only thing that mattered in his world. When Lisa started an emotional affair with a man from her church, a man who was clearly beneath David, in terms of success, David was crushed. He yelled, "I'm stronger than him. I have more money. Why him?" The answer was simple. Lisa was thinking, David needs me too much. His whole happiness depends on me. I feel trapped, like I'm suffocating. I want to feel free. David was the consequence of what happens when a man makes a woman his only goal. She cheated because he was too available. He had no boundaries and no life that didn't involve her. He put his entire worth in her hands, and she had to drop it because it was too heavy a burden. These so-called good wives will cheat when she feels the man has no great mission, no fire in his belly, and no identity outside of being her husband. She needs to feel like she is chosen by a man who has options, not needed by a man who has nothing else. Now for the last story. This is the winner. This is the man who understood the rule. Let's call him Jason. Jason was a good husband, but his life was built on his work, his goals, and his mission, not just his marriage. When his wife, Maria, became distant and started hiding her phone, Jason didn't get sad, he got focused. He didn't beg, he didn't cry. He confronted her, not with weakness, but with absolute finality. He said, "I know you are out of frame. I know you are disrespecting me. I don't need to know the details. I need you to understand that the consequence is immediate loss." She tried to cry. She tried to blame him, but Jason was rock solid. He gave her a choice. Be 100% honest right now, or you are out. Jason won because he forced her to face the one thing she feared most, losing the strong man who had his own power. Maria, seeing his unwavering strength, stopped the affair instantly and had to fight to earn his trust back. What was Maria thinking in that moment? She was thinking, wow, he means it. He loves himself more than he needs me. I messed up, and I could actually lose everything. That fear is the only fuel that rebuilds respect. The honest answer to why good wives cheat is that they cheat when the man becomes too weak to be the man and too safe to be the challenge. They cheat when the comfort you provide is no longer balanced by the masculine strength you embody. You have to be the unshakable rock that she anchors to, not the soft pillow she smothers. You have to decide right now if you are going to be the nice guy who gets cheated on or the strong man whose boundaries she will never dare to cross. It is your choice. So here is the smart question I want you to answer in the comments below. If a man knows that his wife's loyalty depends on her respect for him, what is the one habit he must never, ever let go of to keep his masculine strength high? Drop your honest opinion in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Your experiences and your knowledge help every man in this community. And if this video gave you the strength to see the truth, don't let this be the end. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are building the strongest community of men online, and you need to be a part of it.